Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about what is Audacity, what can you use Audacity for, and what are the pros of using Audacity. So let's start with what is Audacity. Let me just open it up for you guys. So Audacity is a free open source digital audio editor. So over here you can edit your audios. And it's a recording software which is available for Windows, Linux, as well as macOS. So if you're on an Apple device, you can also get it. Now, what is Audacity used for? It's used for multi-track audio editing, and it can also be used for recording and editing those recordings that you did. And one of the examples of Audacity is basically this. It's a recording software. That's about it. It's free. It's really easy for edit. It's really easy for beginners. There's not really much about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.